All right, let me teach you a trick on square of any number that ends in 5. Okay, square of multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. Now, when I mean multiples of 5, I mean any number that ends in 5. For example, now 5 squared is 25. We know this. All right. Now, 15 squared. How do you get that? Just know that anything that ends in 5, the square must end in 25. So once you write 25 at the back, now how do you get the number in the front? You get the number in the front by saying this is the number here, okay? Or just say 5 squared is 25, write it. Now for this one, just say this one times the number after 1 is 2. So 1 times 2 is what? 2. You add it here, 2. Okay? So let's check for 25. Let's check for 25. Look at 25. 25 squared. First of all, 5 squared is 25. You put that 25 at the back. Now, these two now. 2 times, the next number after 2 is 3. 2 times 3 is what? 6. So the answer here is 625. All right? So that is very simple. That is how to get square of a number. So if I say 45 squared, it's very simple. You write 25 at the back. You now say 4 times, the next number after 4 is what? 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So you put that 20 here. The answer is 2025. Very simple. 6, 2, 5. For example, let's go that again. The same thing. 5 squared. Thank you. So the back is always 25. So you say 62 times what? 63, because the next number after 62 is 63. And I taught you how to multiply two-digit number. So this time this is 6 at the back, this time this is 12 in the front. Then to get the middle one is to do cross multiply. So this time this will give you 318 plus this time this will give you 12. So both of them is giving me 30. So I'll write 0 and carry 3 and put here. So this plus this will give you 5. So the answer to 625 raised power this 2 is what? 12052. So 625 squared is giving me 625 squared is giving me 390625. Okay, so how did we make the mistake? Let us check where the mistake is coming from. So we know that the back is 25. Okay, so we are having 63 times 62 times 63. This time this 6. Okay, let's do the cross multiply. So 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 times 3 sorry, 2 times 6 is 12. So both of them is giving me 30. So I write 0, carry 3. Okay, 6 times 6 is 36. 36 plus 3 will give you 39. Okay, so this is the correct answer, and that is exactly what I got here. Okay, so that is how to get two digits multiplication of two-digit numbers. So try this for me. 25625. Okay, squared. So just do that for me. Okay, it's very simple. So what you do is say 25 at the back, then from this line, that is 2562 times 2563. Any answer you get, attach it to this, and then that is the answer. So tell me what your final answer is at the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye bye.